Are you bored? Nothing to do on Earth? Well, take a trip to Phobos, one of Mars's moons! Phobos, an awkwardly shaped planet, is cold and barren. With a length of 17 miles, you can do a lot. Just avoid those craters. Watch out.
We geared up and we were on our way. We sat in the shuttle USS Phobos and awaited the takeoff. 3, 2, 1, blast off. As we were on our way, we saw many things. Stars we never knew of, the Big Dipper, and we even stopped on the moon. We had to travel about 35 million miles. What a short trip, only 3 months.
You can say we had a pretty good time on USS Phobos.
3 months later.
We finally arrived. Phobos looked more like a big rock than a moon. There were so many craters. There was one so big it was 1/3 the size of the moon. Phobos was tiny. It was 17 miles in length, although it is the largest of Mars's moon.
It was freezing in Phobos. It was nearly negative 125 degrees Celsius at night. We bundled up into everything we had in our suitcase. 4 hoodies, 3 pajama pants, 7 t-shirts, and 9 pairs of underwear, all under our spacesuits.
Right when we landed, there was something lighting up in the distance. We ran over to it and realized it was a magical scale. We punched in our weight and age and realized on Phobos we were only 7 years old. Colleen was only 38 pounds, Adrian 40, and Winnie 41. We were very excited to explore.
While exploring Phobos in our moon rover, we met some strange-looking creatures. So far, we've only seen those 3. One was green with yellow stripes, 1 eye, 2 legs, and pointy horns. Another was yellow with blue spots, small wings, eyes on sticks, and walked while laying down. The third was pink scattered with white speckles, 4 legs, big wings, and a curly tail.
After a little while, the little guys warmed up to us. They started to inform us about something, but we couldn't understand them. We pulled out our decoder, and they told us to
be careful. Make sure to be attached to your moon rover at all times. Because there is no atmosphere, in one single jump, you could fall off of Phobos.
So we grabbed rope from our rover and tied it to each other and connected it to USS Phobos so we wouldn't fall off. Now we were safe to explore. We drove around in our moon rover for hours and hours. We even took a drive through Phobos's largest crater, Stickney. Phobos was very rocky and had a very tough surface. We had a lot of fun. We saw the other moon of Mars, Deimos, and we had an awesome time. On the way back to USS Phobos, our rover broke down and we started to push. Once we got back to USS Phobos, we went to sleep.
Our creatures mentioned that they were bored,
so we decided to jump off of Phobos and take them with us. We were going to Earth. 3, 2, 1.
We were home and happier than ever.